Dr Lise Saugeres from Experiential Mindfulness Melbourne. I help people manage and deal with stress so they can have more calm and joy in their lives. And today I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about how I've been able to deal with stress and feelings of overwhelm in the last few years. So have you ever found yourself overreacting to a situation? Maybe somebody said something and you found yourself reacting disproportionately to what was being said, what was happening. So it happens to all of us at times. So we just react, it's unconscious. But it used to happen to me a lot. I used to be very reactive because I took everything personally. And one of the ways in which I often reacted was with anger. So I'd lose it. I'd feel consumed with anger and I felt I couldn't control it. So for example, I remember going to a store to return a pillow, and because I had taken it out of the plastic, I was told that no, I couldn't return it. And it's just the way in which the sales assistant said it, something in his tone that really triggered something in me, and I just lost it. I shouted, "So what do you mean? I can't return it. This is ridiculous," and swore at him and stormed off, and then felt quite embarrassed and ashamed about reacting in that way. But because these kind of things happen quite a lot, so of course I had a lot of stress in my life. I was really stressed out a lot of the time. And that created quite a lot of health problems for me. And as a result, I also had difficulties in relationships. So since I've been practicing mindfulness, I've become a lot calmer, a lot more peaceful and grounded, so that I'm a lot less reactive. I still can react at times because we all do at some point, and we all get triggered, so it still happens to me. I still feel anger at times. But now I'm also able to deal with it much more effectively. So I don't let it affect me to the same extent, and I don't act out in the same way. So I don't lose it like I used to. So what I do now, if I feel anger coming on, I just take a couple of deep breaths. I remove myself of the situation if I'm able to. But now I'm just so quickly aware of what's happening, so I'm able to stop it. I'm able to pause, and then actually decide how I want to behave. So I can choose now to behave differently, and that's obviously made a huge difference. So that's it for me today. I hope that some of the things I said were of value to you, and I'll see you later. Bye.